Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the workspace. Ventilation and PPE are non-negotiable. Once done, test a small patch to confirm the stripper works on Royal Shine paint and won't damage substrate. Next, apply a chemical stripper in a 1/8 1/4 inch layer, following product directions. Let dwell until film softens. Make sure to work in manageable sections so the stripper stays active. Use a plastic scraper to lift softened finish. Gentle, controlled strokes prevent gouging the base. Once the bulk of the finish is off, you switch to detail work. A nylon brush dislodges film in seams, and a plastic scraper refines edges. Make sure to reapply stripper where residue remains, allowing chemical action to do the work rather than aggressive scraping. After chemical removal, sand wet or dry starting 120 grit, then move to 220 for feathering. This evens the surface and removes micro-residue. Clean with solvent between passes so you can clearly see progress and avoid sealing contaminants back in. You finish by thoroughly wiping the area with recommended solvent, letting it dry, then using a tack cloth to remove dust. This prepares the surface for primer or new paint. If you encounter stubborn glossy islands, treat them locally with a short reapplication of stripper and finish sand with 300-400 grit until uniform. Make sure to address scratches by filling and priming. This prevents show-through. If adhesion problems arise later, check for residual wax or oil and repeat solvent cleaning before priming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.